Good morning. So today we're gonna do our science experiment on changes of states of matter. So for this experiment, you're going to need parents' help. If your parent is unable to help you, do not do it on your own. If your parent is not around to help you, or a guardian, then you have to just send me a little message just that they were unavailable, and then just tell me what would have happened in your experiment and tell me some things you've learned about changes of matter. So the first thing we're going to do is go from a gas to a liquid. How do you do that? Well, to show you, we're going to use our mouth, and inside our lungs is a whole bunch of little molecules or particles of water. And you don't think so. Like when you think about it, you go, can you feel anything on your hand? No. There's water? No. But if you go, and you keep doing that with your hot breath, inside of your breath is little water molecules. So if you go, after a while, your hand's gonna feel a little wet. And what that is condensation. It's all these little gas molecules of water. And when we have a lot of them, we put them together, then we create a liquid, which is the water on your hand. And now we're going to change a liquid to a solid, and you do that by freezing. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this ice cube tray. I'm going to fill it with water. If you don't have an ice cube tray, that's fine. You can use a little container or whatever. And we're going to put it in the freezer. And after a while, we have ice cubes. And this is made by freezing. We added really cold temperatures, and that liquid is really, the molecules are still moving around. So when you add cold, extreme cold to them, they slow down and they slow down until eventually they don't really move anymore. And that creates a solid. So we're going to take our solids. Let me try to flip this camera around. Oh, it's not going to work. Okay, so I have a pot here. This is the part you're going to need your parents' help with. You're going to take your ice cubes or ice cube, and you're going to put it in your pot. You are then going to apply heat. You must have parent help. So see that the ice cubes are turning to liquid because we're applying heat to it. This is called melting. And if you look really hard, you can see some steam coming off the top. And the steam is called boiling. So we took a solid, which was the ice cube. We applied heat. I'm gonna turn this off now. We took a solid, and then we applied heat. So we got those really strong molecules that are not really doing too much in a solid. We applied heat, and they got a little crazy, and we made it a liquid. And then we added even more heat, and the liquid also turned to a gas because now they're going really, really crazy and they're everywhere. And that created the solid or the gas. And then that's why we have the steam. So now that we have the liquid, we're starting back at the same phase that we were before when we got the water from the sink. So it just kind of goes all around. So we made gas into a solid on our hand. Or let me take that back. We made gas from our breath turn into a liquid, and then the liquid, which we also got from the sink, we made into a solid. And then we took the solid and we put it in the pot. We added heat. We made it into a liquid. We added even more heat and we made it into a gas again. So we came full circle. So I want you guys to now make a chart, and I'll show you an example of it on Class Dojo. You're going to make a triangle. The top is going to have gas, one of the corners is going to have liquid, and another corner is going to have gas. And you're going to show me examples of how they go from here to here and what they're called. So I'll send you a little picture on that. And you can make your own little poster on a sheet of paper, lined paper, really doesn't matter. And that is our quick little science experiment of how to change states of matter. You have three main ones: solid, liquid, gas. And we went this way with it, and we changed things from a gas to a liquid to a solid, and then we changed from a solid to a liquid to a gas.